Welcome back, graduates. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to redirect your add to cart button to a page. Right now what happens is, this little pop-up will show up on the actual page, showing them that they added something to cart. But maybe you want to redirect them to a page where, saying, thank you so much before you purchase. Maybe you want to kind of give them some more information to make them understand what it is they're buying, or maybe you have some order delays or something. I've seen a lot of people request this feature. There's so many different uses for it, and I'm just gonna skip the BS and get right to it, right? And also, I want to thank you for watching this video. If you like what you're seeing, in the video as you're going along, feel free to hit the subscribe button and feel free to hit the like button. It definitely helps us out quite a bit. So let's just go make a page. Let's make a page, and we're gonna call it. I don't know. We'll call it. I don't know. Thank you or something. Or more information. Obviously, Shopify is taking forever, so let's just wait for this. All right, so we're gonna go and we'll just say more info, and we're just gonna say here's more information about this product. This is just for demo purposes, so we're just kind of shooting the shit here. So we're just gonna grab this right here, this little URL at the bottom. We're gonna copy it to our pasteboard, and let's click on Online Store, and let's go and edit the code. Now it's pretty simple. You're just going to be editing one single file, and that is the product form. So right off the bat, you're going to see on line 8 that this.form submit. No, I lied. You want to go and comment this out. So you just, in order to comment, you just do // and then we're going to scroll all the way down where it's looking. So what this is saying is, else if this.cart is not enabled or doesn't exist, we're going to go and do a window location. So what I like to do is I like to comment this out, and I like to leave code there so I can always go back and switch it back if I need to. So we're going to do window.location equals, and do single quote / more info. So now what this is saying is, when the on submit handler is fired, we're basically, and there's no cart, we don't have that enabled or anything like that, because right here we're defining this.cart equals this query selector. But now this.cart equals, it doesn't exist, it's not there. So now we're going to say window location equals pages.more info. And then what you could do on that page is you could have a button that goes straight to checkout. And I'll show you how to do that. If you stay with this video, I'll show you how to do that. So hit save. So now we're going to refresh this. I'm going to click add to cart. Boom, here's more information about this product. So now we know that the URL is checkout, right? Checkout. So if we go to checkout, it should have 2 items in the checkout, and we know that URL works, right? We do, I think, right? We're on the same page. All right, so now we got 2 items. Let's go back to cart, and what we'll do, we'll go back to that page, more info. So now let's go and open this in a new tab, and let's go add a button to that page. First off, let's get all the button information. So I'm going to go back again, and I'm going to just grab this here. And what we do is we just copy this button. So you inspect element over the element you want to inspect, and you see how it's highlighted. Let's just go and copy the element, and let's go to our pages, more info. Let's go and use some HTML here, and we'll just do BR as a break. We'll paste this in, and we'll just click checkout, and we will make this, we'll get rid of the type, name, submit. We don't need any of this information, and we'll just wrap this in a href. So href equals / checkout a. We'll wrap that in another a, close it, a. So then it should look something like this. So we got a break, we've got a hyperlink here, we've got a button inside of this hyperlink, and we've got all this cool stuff here. So let's just hit save. Now it does sometimes take Shopify a little bit for it to update. Just keep refreshing until that button shows up. What you could do too is you could inspect element and try to clear the cache as well. So when you have this little inspector window open, you can actually hold down on the refresh button, empty cache, and reload. And it's still taking a bit. Let's see why. Is that button even there? Div RT. No, it's not there yet. There we go. So there's the button. So now what we can do is, so let's go through the whole thing again. Let's go to our cart. Let's go to our product. Let's click add to cart. Oh, cool. There's more information about my product. All right, cool. I'm going to check out. There you go. That's it. So cool little trick. If you're trying to give more information to your viewers, you want them to kind of see, if you want to see if there's more information on this product, kind of explain, maybe you have shipping delays or it's the holidays. This is definitely good to give more information to kind of avoid chargebacks and refund requests, that sort of thing. So anyways, guys, if you've made it this far in the video and you really like this content, you want to see more of it, please definitely let us know what kind of content you want to see next. Maybe if there's more tutorials you want, leave a comment in the comment section below. And while you're at it, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys.